Good morning, students. This is your Ramya ma'am. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, Chapter 8, Statistics and Probability. Already in lower classes itself, we have studied the statistics and probability, mean, mode, median, range, like that. Many things we have studied already. Related that only we have to study this chapter also. Okay. First we are going to see range. Already we know that what's the meaning of range. So the difference between the largest value and the smallest value is called range. The difference between means what? Already you know that subtraction. The difference between the largest value and the smallest value is called range. So what's the formula of range? Largest value minus smallest value. So we have studied already range. Now we are going to study the coefficient range also extra. So coefficient of range. Coefficient of range, nothing there. What's the formula? L minus S by L plus S. That means largest value minus smallest value by largest value plus smallest value. Using these two formulas, we have to find out the range and coefficient of range. So we will see one example. Example 8.1. Find the range and coefficient of range of the following data. Okay, what are all data they are given? 25, 67, 48, 53, 18, 39, 44. They are given some data. Using this, you have to find out the range and coefficient of range. Okay, so first here you have to find out largest value is what? Largest value is what? So where is the largest value? Which is the largest value? 67. 67 is the largest value. Next, what do you have to find out? Smallest value. Which is the smallest value here? 18. Okay. So largest value know that. Smallest value also we know that. Using these values, you have to find out the range. So range is equal to L minus S. That is the formula. Largest value is what? 67 minus 18. 67 minus 18. So 67 minus 18, you have to subtract it. What is the answer will come? 67, 18. So it's not possible. Borrow here. So 17 minus 8, 9. 5 minus 1, 4. What is the answer? 49. So what is the value of range? 49. The next we have to see the coefficient of range. Already we know the formula. L minus S by L plus S. So we know already largest value also, smallest value also. So 67 minus 18 by 67 plus 18. Already we know that 67 minus 18 value is 49. So 67 plus 18. 67 plus 18. 8 plus 7, 5. Remaining 1, 7, 8. 85. So 49 by 85. But we have to find out the coefficient of range. We have to find out the coefficient of range. So we have to divide. We have to divide 49, 85. 49, 85. Is it possible to divide? No. What you have to do? You have to add 0 point. You have to add here 0. So how many 85s are here? You have to find out. So 85, 1 5 term you have to put it. 5 5s are 5 5s are 25. Remaining 2. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. So I have to put the 6 times means what will come? You have to see that. 5 6 are 30. Remaining 3. 48, 51. So this one no need. You have to stop that 5 itself. 5 times 425. 425. You have to do the subtraction. 10 here 8. So 10 minus 5, 5, 6. So again, what you have to do? You have to add 1 0 here. You have to add 1 0 here. So 65 is here. So 85 7s are you have to take it. 85 7s are. Okay, 6 times we know that. The next time you have to 7 you will take. Okay, 7 5s are 35. Remaining 3, 56, 59. 8 times you will put it. 85 8s are. 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 64. 68 came. So no need this. You have to stop that 7th place itself. So 595. 595. You have to do the subtraction. So 5, 4. So 10 minus 5, 5. Is also is not possible. Borrow. 14 minus 9, 55. 55. So again I have to add 1 0. So already we know that 6 times it will come now. 5 times is very less. 7 times is more. So we have to take the 6 times. Okay. 85 6 are 510. We have to stop that here itself. So what is the coefficient of range? 0.576. 0.576. Now we know how to find out the range also. How to find out the coefficient of range also. This question is over. We will see the next example. Find the range of the following distribution. Find the range of the following distribution. They are given one box method like that. Using this box, you have to find out the range. Okay. What they are given? Age. They are given in years. 16 to 18 years. How many students are there? 18 to 20 years. How many students are there? 20 to 22 years. How many students are there? 22 to 24. How many students are there? 24 to 26. How many students are there? 26 to 28. How many students are there? They are given. Using this, we have to find out the range. So now we have to consider this only. This is enough. So here you have to check it. Which is the largest value? 28. Which is the largest value? 28. Which is the smallest value here? 16. But we can't able to consider here 16 as the smallest value because the number of students is 0. Here there is no data entered here because the data is 0. So we have to consider the next value. Okay. Next value. Next, which is the smallest value here? 18. Okay. Largest value 28. Smallest value 18. Suppose here they are given 1 means we will consider this 16 as the smallest value. But here data is 0. 0 means no need to consider this fully. Okay. The next number you have to give the importance. So the next number straightly what is the smallest number? 18. That is the smallest value. So now we know that largest value. Now we know that smallest value also. Largest value is equal to 28. Smallest value equal to 18. We know the formula. Range is equal to L minus S. So range is equal to 28 minus 18. So range is equal to 10 years. Range is equal to 10 years. We will see the next question. Example 8.3. The range of a set of data is 13.67 and the largest value is 70.08. You have to find out the smallest value. In before they are given the range, data they are given, you will find out the largest value, smallest value. Using this you have to find out the range. Now they are given range, one largest value. You have to use this. You will find out the smallest. So range means what? R. R value is what? 13.67. Largest value L. 70.08. Smallest value S you have to find out. What is the formula? Range is equal to L minus S. Range is equal to L minus S. Range value is what? 13.67. Largest value is what? 70.08 minus smallest value because we don't know. So this minus S alone you have to keep it here. This one you have to send it this side. So 13.67, this minus 70.08, you have to move this side, minus will come. So here next you have to subtract those value. But here minus is there now. You have to multiply by minus both side. So what's the meaning? The symbol will change. Okay. So plus S 70.08 minus 30.67 will come. Okay. So now you have to subtract it. 70.08 13.67. So 8 minus 7 1 is not possible. Here also is not possible. So you have to borrow here 6. Here 9. Here 10 will come. So 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 3 6. 5 minus 1 5. So the smallest value 56.41. Okay. Thank you students. Remaining sums we will see the next class.